chemistry classes. So today we are discussing the notification which has been given by the CBSE on the date of 8th July. So 8th July ge bandantaha notification alli enittu, nothing but the CBSE has reduced the 30% of the syllabus for the year 2020-21 from the class 9th to class 12th. So they have given us the 30% discount for you people. But before that, the students were very confused, or many of the students were facing problems to attend the online classes. So online classes na attend ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಜನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. In order to that they have reduced the syllabus such that soon after this COVID-19 pandemic they are going to start the colleges. So college ಅನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು like to cover a whole syllabus in the month of September or in the month of November, it is very tedious, or it is very difficult anta helbodu. So what they did, they reduced the syllabus for about 30%. Soon after this news, many of the students were happy that they are going to read very less syllabus and they will get a very good percentage in the board exam anno feeling nalli bandbitru. But what about the entrance exams? What about the entrance exams like NEET or JEE? So those students who are not going to write any of the entrance exams like NEET or JEE or KSET or etc., those people are the only students who are happy with this decision about reduction in the 30% of the syllabus. ಯಾರು ಈ ತರಹದ ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಯಾರು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು 30% ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ಮಾಸಸ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್, many of the NEET and JEE aspirants are there who are preparing from the last year, that PU1 inda they are preparing in order to crack this NEET exam or JEE exams. But what is happening now? Many of the important syllabus has been removed. Many of the important topics from the chapters has been completely removed. This is affecting the students who are going to write the NEET or JEE exams. Why? Because still the NEET or JEE board have not disclosed that they are going to reduce their syllabus also. ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ತಮ್ಮ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಕೂಡ 30% ಅಥವಾ 20% ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನೌ ದ NEET and JEE board have still stick on with the same syllabus of the last year. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮೆಟಲರ್ಜಿ, ಪಾಲಿಮರ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮೆಟಾಲಿಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ಸ್, ಇವೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ನಿಂದ. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ವುಡ್ ಬಿ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬೈ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ಬೈ ದ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. See, it is only helpful for those students who are not going to write any entrance exams like NEET or JEE. It is only helping those students who are going for the other degrees like BSc, BCom, BBA, etc. So those students who are preparing from the first year, that is for NEET or JEE or any entrance exams, they should remember one thing, that they should read whole syllabus which is prescribed in your NCERT textbooks, not this reduced syllabus, that is 30% ಏನು ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ನ ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನೇ ಓದಿದರೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓದಿದರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಮೆನಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ read the 70% of syllabus, nothing but this reduced syllabus according for the board exam itself. So board exams ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನೇ ನೀವು ರಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು for that time being you read the 70% of the syllabus. But in order to prepare for NEET or JEE, please try to read completely the whole syllabus which is prescribed in your textbooks. ಯಾವುದು ಕೂಡ reduced syllabus ನ ಓದಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ in order to prepare for the entrance exams. So this is nothing but that it is only helpful for the students who are not going to write any of the entrance exams. So it has an effect on NEET and JEE if you ask me. Yes, 100% this reduced syllabus, that is 30% reduced syllabus, is going to affect the aspirants who are going to write a NEET or JEE exam on the next year. 2021 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು NEET ಮತ್ತು JEE exam ಬರೀತೀರಾ, they will face many problems if they only stick on to this 70% of the syllabus. 30% ಹೇಗೋ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 70%. ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನೇ ಓದಿದರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ದಿಸ್ NEET or JEE ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ very very false, I can say that. So ತಪ್ಪಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರೀಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ನ ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಫಾರ್ ದೋಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ NEET and JEE. And in further, if there is any notification by the NEET or JEE according to, they also going to reduce the syllabus ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಾದರೂ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬಂದರೆ, well, if not, you should read everything ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. And also please make sure that try to read the whole syllabus only. For time being, you can prepare for your board exam, that is 70% of the syllabus, but in according to the knowledge, if you say according to gaining of the knowledge, if you think so, you should read the whole syllabus anta helbodu. So please try to remember one thing, that those who are going to NEET or JEE or any entrance exams, they should read completely. ಹಳೆ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ಸನ್ನೇ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಓದಿದರೆ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಬೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೋಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ದೀಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್, ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಶ್ಯೂರ್ ಯು ದಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್. ಯುವರ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಆರ್ going to be very high, because since the board only has removed the very very difficult and very very important topics from the syllabus. So please make sure that you should not neglect the things also here. And please try to read from day one itself. And if you want to know that how you should prepare for your board exams, you can check the last video of mine that is already in the channel. So please try to read completely, and please try to be in your home, stay home and stay safe. And this is all because of the COVID-19 pandemic itself. So ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೊರೋನಾ ವೈರಸ್ನಿಂದನೇ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂಥ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿರೋದು. So it won't affect those people who are not going to write any kind of entrance exam. It is only going to affect those students who are going to write the exam. And before that, please like, share and subscribe the channel, and also press the bell icon